Received a CT1 file from a colleague using Chart Tools software. This is a workbook file containing data and charts from the Chart Tools application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and working with these Chart Tools workbook files. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky CT1 errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. A CT1 file is a workbook created by Chart Tools, a software for generating various types of charts and diagrams. Users typically search for this extension when they receive a file from a colleague and need to view or edit the chart data, or if they are trying to recover data from an older project. This file is a proprietary binary format designed to store all elements of a chart project, including data points, labels, formatting styles, and layout configurations. This self-contained structure ensures that the workbook can be opened on another machine with Chart Tools installed without losing any visual or data integrity. The native handling utility for CT1 files is Chart Tools by Dialogica. This file type demands a dedicated, niche application for proper interpretation and manipulation. Windows supports minimal insight into data files, so proper viewing depends on the target application. We'll systematically check the compatibility list. Right-click your CT1 file, then click Open With. Test Chart Tools if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This organized testing is vital. If you still cannot open your CT1 file, that is okay. Since the application couldn't handle the CT1 file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, opening with Chart Tools. Install the Chart Tools application, the native software designed to open CT1 files. Open the file directly in the application to access all charts data and analysis features with full editing capability. Chart Tools provides comprehensive charting tools optimized for data visualization and reporting workflows. Next, exporting data. To use the data in other applications, export the CT1 contents to standard formats. Use File. Then, export within Chart Tools to save as CSV, XLSX, or JSON for compatibility with Excel, Google Sheets, or data analysis tools. Charts can be exported as PNG, SVG, or PDF images. Finally, recreating in Excel. If Chart Tools is unavailable, extract the data from the CT1 file when possible, and recreate charts in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Modern spreadsheet applications offer extensive charting capabilities that can replicate most Chart Tools visualizations using the same underlying data with comparable visual quality. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.